When dismantling the trampoline, the first step is to open the hinge protectors. Then disengage the footstands. Care must be taken to ensure that the first end section does not flip over when it's being folded in. Both end sections are put down slowly and not allowed to fall. The roller stands are retrieved from the equipment room and inserted into the center of the trampoline. They are positioned at an angle, so that both assistants can then take hold of the trampoline at the leg sections. Lift it up, all the while keeping their backs as straight as possible. The roller stands swing into a vertical position. Experienced participants can also help with inserting the roller stands if need be. On the side of the hinge of the upper trampoline end section, the chains are now pulled taut by lifting one leg section. The trampoline is pushed away and tilted. Both assistants take hold of the leg section on the floor and lift it up. The trampoline tilts into the vertical position. Both leg sections are pushed down against the trampoline. The trampoline is then pushed into the equipment store. Care should be taken to ensure there is nothing in the way. A trampoline should only be stored away by adults or experienced participants. Not stopping in time or moving too rapidly into the equipment store can cause injury.